Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited. I got my magical delivery delivered to my door with magic at your door. Do you want to know what's in my September box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so magic at your door just arrived at my door, and I must say this is cutest one that they've done where they have Beast in their box. Like, it is super cute. And then the little roses with the Mickey heads. Like, I am loving this guy right here. And at the top it does say that it's magic at your door, SheCrafty. Let the magic begin. Because they do type your name, so I just changed my name to SheCrafty, so that's what's typed on mine. And I'm so excited to get this in my hands. I cannot wait to see what is in here. They do have now where you can purchase a mystery box of Nightmare Before Christmas for all my Nightmare Before Christmas fans, and I did purchase it, and it is coming next month. I believe it was $2.99 plus shipping for that box, but if you do want to check it out, it's all Nightmare Before Christmas, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait till I get that. So next month, stay tuned. I will have my normal box, and I will have that box as well. I'm so excited. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what's in the September box and what I received. I'm so excited because I have so many good items on my wish list right now. So it's like, it's just those things that make you go, wondering what is in here. I can't wait. So we're almost there. Oh, the pin this month is super cute. Okay, you guys. So when you first open it up, there is their paper right on top with all of the packing material. I do save this. Not only do I use it for gift bags or to send giveaways to you guys, but this is always good to keep because you never know when you might need to throw a gift together, a gift basket, that kind of thing. So I always keep this. So let me go ahead and remove some of this so we can get into the inside. Okay, so after I removed all the products, this is literally a box full packing, shredding stuff that you can keep. So you can also, if you don't want to go straight to a subscription or a mystery box, you can purchase individual items from their website under shop. And they do have a little sneak peek of some new items that they have added with these Loungefly backpacks right here. So it's just a sneak peek of a very few items. They have a lot of things to offer. So you can purchase individual items. You don't have to have a subscription to do that. Anybody can purchase just the individual items. And I will link everything down below in the description box. So let's go ahead and get into this. Now, one new thing, it's an important shipping update. Please note that all Magic Box subscriptions will include a shipping fee of $9.99 as of October 1st. Before, it was free shipping, but shipping is expensive. They do have these huge boxes. I know that shipping fees have already raised even just recently again, because I just shipped out a few boxes for giveaway winners and the prices did go up even for flat rate boxes. So I get it. I understand. I'm not even mad at it. But now starting October 1st, there will be a $9.99 flat rate shipping fee added to the normal price. So let's go ahead and get in here and see what we have. So the first item right on top, it says Aladdin ankle socks. It says $9.99. Here's a package here. Let's get these open. Here's the first one. And you guys, these are my favorite colors. It says A Whole New World right on the top in like a glitter font. And then there's that flower at the end of it. So here's one set that says A Whole New World. The next one is more of like a dark green. And then just little colors on the ankle. So those are both the same. And then the last set in here is a navy blue. And what is on this one? I guess it's just some design that's on the top of this one. So there's the three different ankle socks that came in here. Again, this is $9.99 value. So there's item number one. The next item is right here, and this is a Disney Traditions Jim Shore product. This is Thumper. This is valued at $18, and oh my gosh, I love Bambi and Thumper. So I think this was on my wish list actually. I'm not sure, but after I get my box, I go back in, and if anything was on my wish list, I remove it because they are human and you can't expect them to catch everything with all of their subscribers. So always modify your wish list once you receive it. Go back in and remove it so you don't get it again. So here it is. Let me take these off. Look how stinking cute. And this is like the same style as the other ones that I've been getting. So they're all going to match sitting with each other. But isn't that just super cute? Like a little thumper. Oh, how cute. So there's item number 2. So the next we have is, yay, this I really want the wallet and the matching backpack. So hopefully one day I can get the matching backpack to it. But now I have the wallet until I get it. And this is $40, Lady and the Tramp. This is a Disney Loungefly wallet. So here's the front of it. And it looks kind of like the menu. The back says Disney Loungefly. And okay, so you open it this way and this way. Let me remove this tissue paper. Okay, so it does have a clasp here and it has a clasp here. So you have a big pocket here. You have a big pocket here. You have a big pocket here, and then all of the little ones for your cards. Oh wait, is there 2? Yeah, there's actually 2 pockets here. Here's your change pouch. It looks like that all in the inside. That is on that side of it. How cute. This is love. And then this side is a big pocket this way, and then 2 more big pockets that way with all of the card slot. That's a nice wallet. It has a lot of card slots. I like that. Sometimes you never know what the inside is going to look like and if they're going to have enough to hold all your cards and everything that you have in your wallet. And oh my gosh, this little heart down here is actually teal. That's like the only teal on there. And there's teal on there. Okay, so there's the 3rd item. Then we have, okay, so I had received one of these and then I went and added the other 2 that I wanted to my wish list, and I did receive the other one. So now I have Beauty and the Beast, I have Pinocchio, and this one is just Walt Disney. So there's the front of it. It just says Walt Disney. And then it's like a magnetic little book that you can even reuse this book if you wanted to store things in afterwards. It does have the envelope stickers. So there should be 10 different designs and 2 of each design with 20 envelopes inside. So the designs are going to be, these are so cool. So on the back, it does tell you like where the image is from the front. So there's 2 of those. There's gonna be 2 of this print. And the inside, I believe, is all, yeah, almost ate the card. The inside is all white. So there's 2 of that. There's this one. And again, all of them say on the back where they're from. There's that. This is at Disneyland, 1966. So here's this one. This is from 1939. That's Disneyland Park, 1954. This is the park that I know. There's that one. There's that. That's 1946. And then the last one is right here. And yeah, so there's this whole card set. And again, it just stays in this book. So now because they listened to the wish list, now I have the 3rd book. So there we have it. So that's awesome. So now I have that. Okay, you guys, so the next item is in this box right here. And I'm so excited because I can see the back of it. And I am beyond happy that I received this. Again, they listened to their wish list. This is a Beauty and the Beast goblet. It says Beauty and the Beast Chalice. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. I don't know if I'm gonna actually use it to drink out of or if I'm just gonna set it with my stuff, but oh my gosh. Okay, so there's one design. There's that one. There's that. And there's that. And it has a little red like gems on there to make it a little fancy. Look how cool is that? Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. I'm so glad that I got this. but that is gorgeous. I love it. Okay, so that is all of the items, and now we have is the pin. So let me dive in here and get into this. More packaging. Now we should have this month's pin and last month's pin, unless, okay, so this month's pin must not have made it to them in time again. So let's see. So down inside here is the gold pin. For all gold members only, you get the gold pin. That's one of the perks of having the gold membership like I do. You get the gold pin. So let me go ahead and show you what last month's gold pin is, because I was so excited to get this one because it has Stitch. So this is August, and let me hold it better for you. So there is last month's pin right there. Now I'll show you a picture of this month's pin because it says September Fantasy Pin. The September bonus fantasy pin is our gold subs, is as magical as they get. Unfortunately, not magical enough to be delivered on time. So this pin will be sent out before the last petal falls off in your next subscription. Oh my gosh. So look at that, is gorgeous. So the Beauty and the Beast theme with the rose right in the middle. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get that. So next month I can show you what it looks like physically, but that's what it's going to look like. And then they did put a pin in here though. So I have a pin. This one is silver. Silver means $9.99. So here's a Nemo pin, and now I'm going to add it to my collection, and I'll show you guys now what it looks like, because I know a few of you guys wanted an update last time, and I kind of have been waiting to get a few to open everything, pull everything out, and put them in there, because it's kind of a pain in the butt to open every time. But I will go ahead and add this now, and I'll show you what it looks like right now. So there's that. So we have last month's pin. Now, if you're not a gold member and you ever come across a pin that you do want, they do have these available to put in your wish list for future boxes. So if you ever want to get one at another time, or if you want to purchase them from their store, you can purchase them directly. But gold members get them every single month in their box. So that is everything that came in this month's box, you guys. We have the gold pin, we have the Nemo pin, we have the Beauty and the Beast goblet, which I'm loving so much. I have the card set, the greeting card set. I have Thumper. I have the wallet to hopefully one day get the backpack. And then I have 3 different pairs of Aladdin socks, you guys. This is amazing yet again. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items that I received this month? I can't wait for next month to get that the Nightmare Before Christmas one. So definitely stay tuned to next month, because I'll have 2 boxes to show you. The one Nightmare Before Christmas mystery box, and then my normal monthly October box next month. I can't wait. Now, if you want to know a little bit more about Magic at Your Door, they have 3 different levels for the subscription. They have the bronze, which is $74.99, the silver, which is $99.99, and then the gold, like I get, which is $124.99, and then add the extra shipping now on top of that, the $9.99. They have a one-time magical AF box, which is $299. That's what I started with. Then they have a one-time magic box, which is $199.99. And all of those that I've already mentioned are all fully customizable to your profile, to your wish list, all of that. You can customize those. And if you follow my link down below and you use code MAGICSAVE10, you can get $10 off any gold, silver, bronze, the one-time mystery box, or the magical AF box. So there you go. So please comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items that I received this month? Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.